Question 1. Which article of the Constitution of India lays down the procedure for the amendment of the Constitution? A. 348. B. 358. C. 368. D. 378. Correct answer is C. 368. Question 2. Which Constitutional Amendment Act added the right to form cooperative society to Part L of the Indian Constitution? A. 97th Constitutional Amendment. B. 76th Constitutional Amendment. Circa 32nd Constitutional Amendment. D. 100th Constitutional Amendment. Correct answer is A. 97th Constitutional Amendment. Question 3. By which constitutional amendment OBCs have been given 27% reservation in the admission to educational institutions? A. 92nd. B. 93rd. C. 94th. D. 96th. Correct answer is B. 93rd. Question 4. The first Constitution Amendment Bill passed in 1951 was related to underscore A. Security of the country. B. Security of the Prime Minister. C. Protection of agrarian reforms in certain states. D. Scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. Correct answer is C. Protection of agrarian reforms in certain states. Question 5. Which one of the following amendments to the Constitution is related to the lowering of the age of voters? A. 61st Amendment. B. 44th Amendment. C. 42nd Amendment. D. 24th Amendment. Correct answer is A. 61st Amendment. Question 6. The process of constitutional amendment in India is taken from A. America. B. Japan. C. South Africa. D. Canada. Correct answer is C. South Africa. Question 7. Which amendment made it mandatory for the President to give his assent to the constitutional amendment bills? A. 24th. B. 58th. C. 44th. D. 28th. Correct answer is A. 24th. Question 8. Which amendment to the Constitution introduced the Goods and Services Tax, GST? A. 103rd Constitution Amendment Act, 2018. B. 73rd Constitution Amendment Act of 1993. C. 101 Stone Constitution Amendment Act, 2016. D. 92nd Constitution Amendment Act of 2003. Correct answer is circa 101st Constitution Amendment Act, 2016. Question 9. The preamble of the Constitution was amended by the underscore Constitutional Amendment Act. A. 44th. B. 42nd. C. 52 ND. D. 56th. Correct answer is B. 42nd. Question 10. 102nd Amendment of Indian Constitution provided constitutional status to A. National Commission for Backward Castes. B. National Commission for Scheduled Castes. C. National Commission for Scheduled Tribes. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. National Commission for Backward Castes. Question 11. Which one of the following amendments of the Constitution of India converts the Union Territory of Delhi into the National Capital Region of Delhi? A. 69th Amendment. B. 70th Amendment. C. 73rd Amendment. D. 74th Amendment. Correct answer is A. 69th Amendment. Question 12. Which one of the following bills must be passed by each house of the Indian Parliament separately by the special majority? A. Ordinary Bill. B. Money Bill. C. Finance Bill. D. Constitution Amendment Bill. Correct answer is D. Constitution Amendment Bill. Question 13. Which of the following has banned floor crossing by the member elected on a party ticket to the legislature? A. 52nd Constitutional Amendment Act. B. Representation of Public Law. C. 42nd Constitutional Amendment. D. 44th Constitutional Amendment. Correct answer is A. 52nd Constitutional Amendment Act. Question 14. When was the first bill for the amendment of the Indian Constitution presented? A. 1950. B. 1951. C. 1955. D. 1958. Correct answer is B. 1951. Question 15. Which of the following is related to the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act, 1992? A. Panchayati Raj. B. Municipality. C. Anti-defection law. D. Fundamental duty. Correct answer is A. Panchayati Raj. Question 16. Anti-defection provision was introduced in the Constitution for the first time by A. 54th Amendment. B. 53rd Amendment. C. 52nd Amendment. D. 51st Amendment. Correct answer is C. 52nd Amendment. Question 17. Under which one of the following Constitution Amendment Acts, 4 languages were added to the languages under the 8th Schedule of the Constitution of India, thereby raising their number to 22? A. 90th Amendment Act. B. 91st Amendment Act. C. 92nd Amendment Act. D. 93th Amendment Act. Correct answer is C. 92nd Amendment Act. Question 18. A bill for the amendment in Indian Constitution can be presented underscore. A. Only in Lok Sabha. B. Only in Rajya Sabha. C. Either in Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. D. In the Supreme Court of India. Correct answer is C. Either in Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. Question 19. The authoritative text of the Indian Constitution in Hindi was authorized to be published by which of the following constitutional amendments? A. 57th Amendment, 1987. B. 58th Amendment, 1987. C. 59th Amendment, 1988. D. 60th Amendment, 1988. Correct answer is B. 58th Amendment, 1987. Question 20. The 9th schedule to the Indian Constitution was added by underscore. A. First Amendment. B. 8th Amendment. C. 9th Amendment. D. 42nd Amendment. Correct answer is A. First Amendment. Question 21. 93rd Constitutional Amendment Act was related to which one of the following? A. Right to education. B. Right to property. C. Admission of scheduled castes or scheduled tribes in educational institutions. D. Right to form cooperative societies. Correct answer is C. Admission of scheduled castes or scheduled tribes in educational institutions. Question 22. Which constitutional amendment makes provision for the reservation of seats for SCs and STs in Lok Sabha and state assemblies? A. 76th. B. 77th. C. 78th. D. 79th. Correct answer is D. 79th. Question 23. Right to education was introduced through A. 42nd Amendment. B. 44th Amendment. C. 86th Amendment. D. 78th Amendment. Correct answer is C. 86th Amendment. Question 24. The 91st Amendment of the Indian Constitution provides A. Ceiling of the size of Council of Ministers. B. No enhancement of seats of Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha till 2026. C. Bifurcation of the National Commission of SCs and STs. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Ceiling of the size of Council of Ministers. Question 25. Sikkim became a new state by underscore. A. 30th Amendment of the Constitution. B. 34th Amendment of the Constitution. C. 35th Amendment of the Constitution. D. 36th Amendment of the Constitution. Correct answer is D. 36th Amendment of the Constitution. Question 26. The Keshavanand Bharati case is important because underscore. A. It sets aside the orders of the executive. B. The Supreme Court interpreted the basic features of the Constitution. C. It brought the Union government in the dock. D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. The Supreme Court interpreted the basic features of the Constitution. Question 27. Mizoram has been granted the status of a state by which of the following constitutional amendment? A. 53rd. B. 54th. Circa 55th. D. 52nd. Correct answer is A. 53rd. Question 28. The Supreme Court of India enunciated the doctrine of basic structure of the Constitution in underscore. A. The Goliknath case in 1967. B. The Sajjan Singh case in 1965. C. The Shankari Prasad case in 1951. D. The Keshavanand Bharati case in 1973. Correct answer is D. The Keshavanand Bharati case in 1973. Question 29. In India, Who is competent to amend fundamental rights of the citizens? A. Lok Sabha. B. Rajya Sabha. C. Parliament. D. Supreme Court. Correct answer is C. Parliament. Question 30. Which amendment restored the power of judicial review to the Supreme Court and High Courts after it was curtailed by the 42nd Amendment? A. 42nd. B. 43rd. C. 44th. D. 56th. Correct answer is B. 43rd. Question 31. The decision of the Supreme Court in the Golak Nath case was that A. Judiciary is independent of Parliament. B. Fundamental rights could not be amended or abridged. C. The Constitution is supreme. D. The basic structure of the Constitution should not be changed. Correct answer is B. Fundamental rights could not be amended or abridged. Question 32. By which amendment act of the Constitution of India were the directive principles of the state policy given precedence over the fundamental rights wherever they come into conflict? A. 40th. B. 42nd. C. 44th. D. 46th. Correct answer is B. 42nd. Question 33. 74th Amendment of the Constitution is related to A. Rural local self-government. B. Urban local self-government. C. Powers of the President. D. Powers of the Parliament. Correct answer is C. Urban local self-government. Question 34. The basis structure theory of the Constitution of India implies that underscore A. Certain features of the Constitution are so essential to it that they cannot be abrogated. B. Fundamental rights cannot be abridged or taken away. C. The Constitution cannot be amended except in accordance with the procedure laid down in Article 368. D. The preamble of the Constitution cannot be amended for it is not a part of the Constitution and at the same time represents its real spirit. Correct answer is A. Certain features of the Constitution are so essential to it that they cannot be abrogated.